is going on, guys? Welcome back to the MCC Body Shop channel. Today we got some work behind me. We got our boy Evan. What's up, Evan? Say hey.
So you already know, spray.
That's the magic guy over here. And today we want to do a quick video on replacing some tail lights on a 2020 Camry. We got this beautiful 2020 Camry. We have done some work on it. We painted and installed the spoiler. We wrapped gloss black the roof with the pillars, make it XSE model. We also did the front grille and the front bumper, the front lip, I'm sorry. We also did the fog light with the sea light on it. We have done some custom work into this car, so it's looking nice. So today we're gonna just do this upgrade on the tail lights, and so stay tuned. Let's see how this one come out. Okay guys, so I got it connected. I still need to connect these 3 wires over here, but it's pretty much plug and play. I'm just gonna put it on and turn the lights on and see how if it works or what we need to do to it. Let's see how this works. Okay, there we go. Okay, we got the running light going on. Nope. That looks nice though. Let's make this stoplight work.
Yeah. Those things are nice, man. Wow.
Good. Let's go to the next one. Get the same configuration. So in this case, let me show you what I'm trying to do. So in this case, the red is green, the blue is the red, black stays the same, and then the green will be yellow, which it should be our turn signal. So the green on this new one is the power, the red is the brake light, and the yellow is the turn signal. So we're just gonna go ahead and combine those over here. That way we have a bumper light working. I'll show you guys this oh sorry, this adapters that is, it says it's for the SE and LE only. So for a moment I thought they were going to be connected with the quarter panel ones, but these are actually for the one in the trunk. So let's go ahead and connect this and make this thing work. Okay guys, so what I did, I just hide the wiring all the way back here, and then we went back and hide it behind this, and it's already covered, so nobody's gonna see a wiring or nothing. So hopefully this thing goes good. Just make sure everything works. Let's see how this thing works out. Whoa! Yeah. Vamos a ver qué pasó aquí.
Vamos a ver. Ya estaba loco por verlo puesto.
Ah, there we go.
Otro nivel ya,
Mira, saludos ahí a la camarita que va a ser famoso. Va para YouTube.
Oh, man.
Looking good, huh?
Yeah. It's nice.
Okay. So now that you're here, let me know if they work. Prende.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
Good. That's all right.
Oh my gosh. Let's go.